Hi everyone, welcome to Cloud Trip. This is your host Amitabh Dash, and today in our video we are going to learn all about AWS Cloudfront. So what I promised you in the previous video that I'll be going to show you some practical on how to configure it, how to configure CDN to your website, static website that you have created. But I thought it would be better to give you some heads on why you are doing that, what are the benefits, what are the security benefits. So yeah, let's get started with Cloudfront. So Cloudfront is a web service provided by AWS that helps you to speed the distribution of your static and dynamic contents. So what it does is that it helps you to cache your data to the nearest edge location and deliver the contents from that edge locations rather than from the origin. So for the first time, obviously it has to go to the origin to get the data. But for the second time, the users requesting for the website, it will get the data from the edge locations. This diagram might make things more clear to you. For example, this is a thing without configuring CDN on the CloudFront. So what it happens is that the bucket is present in North America. Suppose the bucket is present in North America, or it could be EC2 instance, or it could be a load balancer, or it could be your on-premises server, and it could be a static and dynamic contents as well. So the bucket, in our case, is a bucket, is a S3 bucket. So let's assume it's present in North America. Now you want to serve those to the customers of Australia and India. So obviously there will be some latency to get the static contents, so the images around some MBs of size. So to get those data, it will be taking some latency, and there will be some latency to get the data. So what improvement is that by using CloudFront, we can cache those static contents, those images, those HTML pages to our nearest edge location, so that the next time the user requested for that, it will be served from those edge locations rather than going to North America to fetch the data. So also one more thing is that there is a concept of TTL. So for example, you set the TTL to 1 hour. So what happens after 1 hour is that whenever a user requests that again after 1 hour, the request goes to the after the TTL express, the request goes to the origin server to fetch the data. So it depends on the TTL you set. So as I mentioned already, so the CloudFront's origin could be your S3 bucket, your EC2 instances, it could be a WebSocket, the on-premises server as well. So you can cache those. Security, the AWS CloudFront is something I like the most, and it helps you. It provides us with free certificate, so that you can deliver your contents to your end users using HTTPS. So the data in transit that happens from the origin and to the end users, the data is encrypted in the transit. So there are also some other features we'll be seeing that in our demonstration portion. So OAI, so the origin access identity. So it helps you to restrict the bucket access. So if you enable OAI, that means you are restricting the user, so that the user can get the website only from the CloudFront distribution and not from the S3 origin. By doing that, you are restricting the access to the S3 bucket. So origin, by configuring OAI, you are protecting your S3 bucket, so that for example, after configuring OAI, the S3 bucket's URL, it is not accessible. When you type the S3 bucket URL, so it will be telling you access denied. So by doing that, you are restricting the bucket to restricting your S3 bucket. You are protecting the S3 bucket, and it is forcing the user to come via the CloudFront. So it has to come via CloudFront to access your website, and not going directly to S3 bucket. So it's a very good security feature that is having. Also, you're having a feature of geo-restriction, where you can prevent the users from other countries to access your data. For example, you don't want people sitting in China to get your data. So you can do that by enabling geo-restriction in your bucket. So yeah, and these are some of the cool features, and there are also many other features that we'll be showing you in the demonstration portion. So hang on to the demonstration, and I hope you'd like this video. I hope you get the points that I'm trying to make for you. So these points basically help you doing your practical, and doing practical without getting the basic knowledge, what is CloudFront, what are the security benefits, is something which I feel is not good. So yeah, bye for now. Take care, and see you in the practical video. Bye.